Well, hey guys, I just bought me a brand new trolling motor. I brought me the Endura Max Minn Kota 55. I bought the one with the 36-inch shaft. They also make this in a 42-inch shaft. If you've been watching my videos for the last 5 years, you know I like to pond fish, and I use my trolling motor on a 16-foot John boat. And I've been using the littlest trolling motor Minn Kota makes. This is what I've been using. This is a little 30-pound thrust, 30-inch shaft trolling motor, and it's been great. I've had no trouble. This has been a good trolling motor, but hey, I just wanted to upgrade, so that's why I bought this. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to unbox it and show it to you, kind of tell you a couple things about it. Then we're going to go straight to the pond. We're going to put it on the boat, and we're just going to trial it. So one of the reasons I bought this is, of course, the 55. That's the biggest. I just spent the extra money. I bought it at Cabela's. I believe it was like $289. Here's a picture of what it looks like on their ad. But it has the variable speed control, where the old one had like 5 forward speeds and 3 reverses. This is variable speed. So hey, let's take it out of the box right quick and let's take a look at it. Like it comes with an owner's manual. There's the handle. Nothing to that, just slips right on and it just telescopes in and out like that. It's also got a voltmeter on top. You can tell how much battery you got. Handle looks a little bit like that with your variable speed. I know I'm going to get asked the question what battery to use, so I actually brought it out here and I'm going to let you see. I just went down to Walmart and I just bought the EverStart. It's a 29 DC, says 845 Marine cranking amps. Let me show you real quick what this trolling motor looks like versus the littlest one. You can see there's quite a little difference in the two. Here's where you attach it to your boat. There's your quick deal where you raise it and lower it. So hey, I'm not going to spend a lot of time. Let's just go out to the boat and let's just see how this thing performs. Well, I'm out with my new trolling motor. I got it on my 16-foot John boat. As you can see, I put it on the transom, went on real easy. Then I adjusted the height. Then the next thing I did is I hooked it to the battery. You know, red goes to the positive and black goes to the negative, and then I checked the top of it, and if you can see, had, you know, full battery, little battery meter on top. That's pretty nice. I've never had that before. So hey, let's put it in the water and let's take it for a spin and see how this baby performs. All right, to lower it down, we got a little lever right here, so we're just going to pull up and she lowers right down. Now next thing I want to check is this telescoping handle. To telescope it, you just pull it out like that and you get it wherever you like it. Now the next thing is you turn it this way. I'm going to kind of show you by hand. This way to the left is reverse, turn it to the right is forward, and it is reverse, excuse me, it is variable speed. So I'm going to go in reverse first. Let's see how it does. Actually, it don't do too bad. It's a lot better than that little 30 pound. So let's go forward now. I'm going to put it in Variable speed. Here we go. Get turned around here. All right, I'm fixing to crank it up. This baby moves on pretty good. I'm gonna be across this pond in no time. As you can see, I've made it all the way across the pond pretty quick. It's a 4-acre pond, so hey, let's go try it again. See how fast it can go. Again, guys, this is a 16-foot John boat, so it's actually pretty heavy. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually throwing a weight behind it. And I really like this variable speed. If you want to slow down, you just slow it a little bit at a time. You don't have to worry about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go. Well, I'm already back. That didn't hardly take any time at all. Well, guys, I'm very impressed with this 55 thrust Minn Kota trolling motor, Endura Max. Hey, if you can justify the extra money and you've got a need for it, hey, I'd say spend it. Now, if you don't, that little smallest one, do everything you need to do on these ponds. But hey, if you're looking for a trolling motor, this Endura Max 55 might be the one for you. I just tried to show it off. I don't work for Minn Kota, so what you're seeing is strictly from me. So hey, if it helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.